Good morning, y'all. Beautiful day today. Look at that. Nice. I didn't sleep very good. Coyotes kept me up most of the night howling. They were pretty close too. I think I got them on film. Them howling and stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna get myself together. I just got up. I'm gonna get myself together. I'm gonna cook some breakfast, and then I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'll get back with you guys around breakfast time. All right, we'll see you then. It's creosote. The Indians used to use it for to help with sicknesses like stomach flu or something wrong with their stomach. They'll make a tea out of it, drink it, and it heals them. You can also, the oil on it, you can use as a sunblock. And when it rains, this really smells good. But if you take a couple leaves and just rub your fingers on it, smell it, it smells so good. Smell good. After a good rain, there's so many of these everywhere that it just smells so delicious. I'm telling you. We'll go up this way. The coyotes were here. Probably from last night. See their tracks. Trying to get to I don't want to venture to, I guess I could watch myself. For El Snako. Walk slowly. Oh shit, I'm not going back here. There's pieces of cholla all over the place. Remember what I said about the cholla. Whoa. Damn. Looks like this piece got got on a coyote. Bunch of hair on it. I wasn't going there and look at that tree right there. I was going to show you what's something that grows in it. In a lot of these trees, it's what's it called? Mistletoe, desert mistletoe. In fact, here we go. Here's some. You can see it. The darker areas. That's so mistletoe. It eventually will kill the tree at some point. Once in a while the tree does win, but that will take over the tree and kill it. That cholla, I'm so glad I didn't get any on my pants. That's going to be there forever. Okay. Wow, look at all that. All that cholla, all that green you see on the ground, that's fallen cholla. Blue over here. It's everywhere. Something you got to really be careful with. Oop. Where'd it go? Coyotes. You can tell by the, it's what it looks like actually. I would like to find the rattlesnake out here for you guys. I can show them to you. That cactus right there, it looks like a bunch of fan paddles. I can't remember the name of that offhand, but they serve that in restaurants out here. I haven't had any, but I'm gonna head back. Maybe I'll get to see a rattlesnake once while I'm here today, or for the next couple days anyway. I can get them on film for you. It's so beautiful. You know, it's the desert. People think the desert is just hot and barren. Well, during the summer it's extremely hot. I don't like the summers here. That's why when I go camping during the summers, I go to Colorado and I go up northern Arizona. In fact, I'm going to be going to Colorado, I believe in June. I'm going to go back up to Dolores and Telluride. I'm going to take a different route. I'm going to go through Silverthorne because I've never been there and I'd like to see it. So it's only about 2 hours extra on my trip to Telluride. So I'm looking forward to that. A lot of good fishing out there. I never caught anything. I caught one small fish, but I just love fishing. And up here, I can't really camp and fish unless I go to a pay campground. I don't like going to pay campgrounds. And you can hike to places, but I don't want to hike. I got to sleep in my I sleep in my truck, so I guess I can get a tent, another tent at some point and do a little hike in. I do want to do a canoe trip when I can. I don't have a canoe, of course, but I'm either going to rent one or save up and buy one. Take an overnight camping trip, or maybe 2 nights down a river. I think it's called Blue Ridge, the one I'm thinking about. It's a windy snake-like river. It's beautiful, calm. So there's a lot of stuff I do want to do for this channel. All right, guys, I'm back at camp. I'm going to sit down and have some water. It got pretty cold last night. Last I looked at my temperature gauge, it said 38. And I don't know if it got colder or not, but it got cold. I've got my I had my topper vented out. I still have it vented out on the other side with mosquito screen. So I'll get some air. I didn't get any condensation. Of course, I didn't use the damp rid because I had these opened, so I knew I wouldn't get it. But I'm gonna try the damp rid tonight because I'm gonna close up the other side also. And yeah. Okay, guys, I'll see you in a bit. All right. Pepsi Zero. It's pretty good. Well, I was going to make for dinner tonight, I was going to make liver and onions. But I forgot the liver. So I was going to make some tomorrow's dinner with tonight, which is chicken mole. Oh, I love chicken mole. I forgot the chicken. I could use the other half of the duck breast from last night in its place, but I don't think I'm going to. Tonight I'm going to have some kimchi, rice, and Chinese dumplings. Should be good. Catch you in a while. We've got hot and spicy kimchi, original kimchi by Mama O's. It's the best kimchi that I've ever had. And I got these Chinese dumplings, rice. So good. Oh. Oh. It's a big chunk of wasabi I got. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Oh wow. That was hot. The wasabi face. Oh me. Food's getting a little cold, but it's still good. One thing about camping and eating. I love to eat when my food is hot, really, really hot. When you're camping, good luck on that, especially when you're filming. I never realized how hard it was to film and camp and eat, and it's hard, but fun.